Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for fitness industry. So here let's assume that I am a gym owner and to promote my gym, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. Here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be WhatsApp. So to send the WhatsApp message, here I am using Vati. You can use any other application as well. So to learn more about the integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for fitness industry. So here let's assume that I am a gym owner and to promote my gym, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So to begin with the process, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. So this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. This here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads. And on my left hand side, these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. And now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for fitness industry. So here in this trigger window, as I'm promoting my gym with the help of Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads, and here it is. Now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead, then instantly this workflow is going to run. So as I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event, now I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that Facebook lead. So to do that, in this action window, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message by using Vati. So here it is. And the action event will be to send template message. So here I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. So firstly, to do this, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. Now to add a new connection, I'm going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect. And the authorization is successful. So Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. Now moving to the page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the Facebook page that I've created for my gym and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the Facebook page by the name of Body Fit Gym. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select my page first as Body Fit Gym. Here it is. And now after selecting the page, I will select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, you can see that I've created two lead ads form and I want to use this Body Fit form. So this is how the form looks like, and the name of this lead ads form is Body Fit form. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the lead gen form as Body Fit form. After selecting my page and the lead gen form that is associated with it, here I'm going to scroll down and click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for webhook response, which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in this webhook response. Now to do the test submission, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. So here in this new tab, I'm going to search for Meta for Developers. I will go to the page, and now in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps, and in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here firstly I'm going to select my page as BodyFit Gym. So I'm searching for my page. Here is my page by the name of BodyFit Gym. After selecting the page, I will select the form from the drop down, that is BodyFit form, and now I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the form, and I have added the details as well. So here's the full name, email, and the phone number. So now I'm going to click on next, and now I'm going to click on submit. It says thanks, you're all set. I'm going to close this. Your test lead has been sent. That means this test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So now I will take you to Pabbly Connect, and here you can see that I've just received the response. Here is the full name, email, phone number, created date and time, along with some other details. So that means the lead that I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I've got the details of the test lead which I've just created, so now I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So here firstly I need to establish a connection between Vati and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. So now to add a new connection, I need to mention the API endpoint and the access token. So here are the instruction given, like how you can find the API endpoint and the access token. So now I'm going to take you to my Vati account. So here in Vati, I will go to API docs. And here this is the access token and the API endpoint. So I'm going to copy the access token. And now in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste the same. And now moving to the API endpoint, so I'm going to copy the API endpoint. And now in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy it. So now once this is done, I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that Vati and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to these details, here I need to mention the WhatsApp number. So as from the response received from Facebook lead ads, I'm going to map the WhatsApp number. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So this here is the mobile number and I'm going to map it. So once this is done, now I need to select the template. So here in Vati, I'm going to take you to templates. And here this is the template by the name of Facebook Leads New that I've created. So the category is marketing and the language is English US. And this here is the body. It goes as dear. Then there is a variable for name and it goes as thank you for reaching out to us. We have received your details. You can check out our website abc@pabblytudes.com to know more about our services. Regards, BodyFit Gym. So this here is the automated WhatsApp message that I want to send to my Facebook leads. So here after dear, this here is a body variable. This will keep on changing accordingly as per the new lead will be received. So here in this variable, the name will keep on changing accordingly as per the new Facebook leads will be received. So now here in Pabbly Connect, I've selected my template. So now moving to the broadcast name, here I'm going to mention my gym name, that is BodyFit Gym. So I'm going to mention it. Now once the broadcast name is done, moving to custom parameters. So here I need to provide the parameter. So as in this template here, you can see that name is a custom variable. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to follow the same format that is given below. So I'm going to copy it and now I'm going to paste it. So here the custom parameter is for name and the value will be the name of the lead. So here I'm going to remove this and from the response received, I'm going to map the full name. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request to see the response. So here you can see that I've received a response and this here is a positive response. So now I will show you the automated WhatsApp message. So this here is an automated WhatsApp message which I wanted to send to the Facebook lead. So here after dear you can see the name and here is the content for the message and these are the regards. So that means an automated WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to the Facebook lead. So this integration and automation is a successful one. Now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that Facebook lead with the help of Vati. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.